Here you have got 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider solving all these questions by pausing this video and then see how I have solved it and match with yours. So this is my suggestion to practice first and then look into the solution. So let us now get on to the first question. It asks, how many number of days are there in 9 weeks and 4 days? So it's basically asking you the number of days in so many weeks and 4 days. We know that one week has got 7 days from Sunday. What are those 7 days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I am writing short form of the weekdays: Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So these are the 7 days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days are there in the week. It's asking how many days. So in one week there are 7 days. In 9 weeks there will be 9 times 7. This is week. This is days per week. So 7 you have to take 9 times. So 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. I hope you have memorized the table by now. So 9 weeks is 63 days. But in addition, they have also asked you 9 weeks and 4 days. So these are 63 days. We have to add 4 days further. So 63 plus 4 is 67. So the answer to this question is 67 days. So is 67 days. In real exam, you have to be very fast with such type of questions. You may not go through these steps of writing down Sunday to Saturday. You just know that this is your, in 9 weeks we have got 7 days. So 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 4 is 67. Calculation has to be done in your mind for exams like IMO. We have solved question number 1. Getting on to question number 2, how many hours are there in 9 weeks and 4 days? So here in the first question you were asked how many days were there. Here it is asked how many hours are there. We have already calculated 9 weeks and 4 days. Total days in 9 weeks plus 4 days is equal to 67 days. And you know very well that one day has got how many hours? 24 hours. So there are 24 hours in a day. It is asked how many hours are there in 9 weeks 4 days. And 9 weeks 4 days equals 67 days. So if one day is 24 hours, then 67 days will have 67 times 24. This is equal to, let us now carry out the calculation. One 1,608 hours are there in 67 days, which is equal to 9 weeks 4 days. So 1,608 hours. So the answer to this question is 1,608 hours. Now coming to question number 3, it goes like this. How many total days are there from 1st October 2016 to 30th June 2016? So for solving this question, we have to know the number of days in the months, during the months being considered. So it's 1st Feb 2016 to 30th June 2016. So here the months involved are February, obviously of the year 2016, February, March, April, May and June. As we have already known that February may have 28 or 29 days. We already know that February may have how many days? It may have 29 days. It may have 28 days. The year which have 29 days February are called leap year. Okay, and we also know that how can we find out which one is a leap year? If the year is divisible by 4, the year is leap year. This we have already studied in one of our last chapter. So here we are given 2016. And what is the divisibility test of 4? Divisibility test of 4 is that if the combination of tens and ones is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So here you are given 2016. Combination of tens and ones. This is ones place, this is tens place. If this combination is divisible by 4, then we can say that this whole number is divisible by 4. I hope you know this divisibility test of 4. So 2016. So let us check whether 16 is divisible by 4 or not. 16 divided by 4 is 4, 4s are 16, remainder is 0. So you see that 16 is divisible by 4 and hence this 2016 is divisible by 4, and therefore 2016, as it is divisible by 4, 2016 is a leap year, and during leap year February has got 29 days. So we can say that the number of days in February in the year 2016 is 29. I hope you have understood how we have arrived at the figure 29. Let me rub out the unwanted portion now. Now March, this you have to memorize that March has got 31 days. Let me write down the number of days in the months of an year for your reference. You can refer your calendar also for this. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. January has got 31 days. 31. February may have 29 or 28. 29 or during leap years, and leap years are divisible by 4. March is 31 days. April is 30 days. May 31 days. June has got 30 days. July 31 days, August again 31 days. Here you have to remember very well, 31 days, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. So you can see that mostly alternatively there are 30 and 31 days. Only exception is July and August, where we have consecutive months with 31 days. So this you have to know and memorize, and it's not that difficult. You can look into the calendar daily to memorize this. So April has got 30 days, May 31 days, and June we have to consider till 30th June is 30 days. So 30th June is the last day of the month June. So now you need to calculate total number of days in these months from 1st February to 30th June. So if you can add all these, if you add all these days, you will get the answer. Let us calculate. Let me make a space for addition. During your exam, you need not to do all the things I have done. You may consider doing these things very fast. So let us add the numbers. 29. So how many number of 31s are there? 31 2 times. So 31 into 2. You may do this without writing this. 31 into 2 62. You have to be fast in maths. Now there are two number of 30s. Again 30 into 2 is 60. So 29. So how many months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 29 is 1 month, 62 2 months, and 60 again 2 months we have considered. Now we add 2 plus 9, 11, carry 1, plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. There are 151 days from 1st February 2016 to 30th June 2016. So answer is 151 days. From this chart, you can see that there are 7 months which have got 31 days in them: January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 months having 31 days. So this is a very common question being asked in many Olympiads. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 months having 30 days, and there is only one left, February, which may have 29 or 48 days depending on whether it's a leap year or not. And a leap year has got 366 days in the year, and a non-leap year has got 365 days in the year, just because of this one particular more or less day in the month of February. So let us solve question number 4. In question number 4, you see that it's asking how many total days are there from 1st February 2018 to 30th June 2018. So you see that in question number 3, it was the year 2016 and June 2016, and for question number 4, the months are same, only the difference is in the year. So now it's again from 1st February, but this is 2018 to 30th June 2018. So instead of 16, it's 18. So we see that we have already written from the third question. I have kept this on board so that you can refer to this. So February, March, April, May, June. March will have 31 days. It may be any year. April will have 30 days. May 31, June 30, irrespective of the year. But February may have 29 or 28 days. So for 2016, it was 29 days, as because that was a leap year. Now let us check whether 2018 is a leap year or not. So to check for the leap year, what we do, we need to check the divisibility of the year by 4. And for divisibility of 4, we check only the tens and combination of tens and ones. So let us check 18 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16. We have got a remainder. So this remainder is not 0, and therefore 18 is not divisible by 4, and hence we can say 2018 is also not divisible by 4. So 2018 is not a leap year, and hence February will have 28 days. So this is going to be 28 days. So 28 days on February, March 31, April 30, May 31st, 31, June 30. Now we need to add all these. So here what we have done, we have added this. See, this addition we have already done for 2016. Now we have to do for 2018. So 28 is February. How many number of 31s? 1 and 2. So 31 into 2 is 62. Same as over here. Or number of 30s. How many number of 30s are there? 1 and 2. 30 into 2 is 60. You can see it was same for 2016. So the only difference is that in the year 2016 this was 29, now this is 28. So the difference will be 1 only, and therefore the number of days will be 1 less for question number 4. So let us do that. 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 6 15. So 150 days. You see the number of days from 1st February 2018 to 30th June 2018 is 1 less for the same period calculated during the year 2016. Why? Because the difference is only there in the number of days during February. In 2016 it was 29, and 2018 it is 28. So the answer to this question is 150 days, only due to one lesser day during February 2018. Understanding of all these 4 questions are very important. I hope you have understood, and you can do such type of questions in Olympiads. Best of luck. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.